Good morning. Today is Thursday, September 13th. It's about 5 minutes to 8 in the morning. It is 73 degrees, and I had a wonderful night spent last night in the McDowell Mountains Regional Park. It was much higher than expectations. This park has a RV area, of course, which I haven't seen, but I stayed in the tent camping area. I think I had the entire camping area to myself. It was very nice, quiet, peaceful, no wind. Temperatures were reasonable for sleeping, and it's a beautiful park. I had a full sky full of stars to look at. I did the cowboy camping last night. I didn't set up the tent, and I was a very happy camper. This morning I'm out for about a 2-hour shakedown hike. I'm going to do some filming for practice. I'm going to have the pack on at about the 38-pound mark for the Sierra trip next week. And I'm going to go about 2 hours this morning from about 8 to 10. And then come back and clean up and meet my high school pal for lunch at 12 noon. So I'll do a couple practice video shots, and you all have a great day. Good morning. Well, I'm commencing day number 2 of my Arizona Furnace backpacking trip. I have a rather ambitious route planned this morning. I've been up, camp is secured. I've had a little breakfast, some watermelon and banana nut bread. I have had no coffee, so I'm going to reward myself. Should I accomplish my rather ambitious goal this morning, I will go and find out if this Valley of the Sun has a Starbucks and make a purchase of some coffee later this morning. I'm very pleased that the hour is 7 a.m. I'm on trail by 7 o'clock. The temperature is 76 degrees already, so it's going to get warm, another warm day. And the date is Friday the 14th of September. So, good day yesterday, slept well. It got cool enough down into the 70s that I was comfortable. I did have one little incident, is my Thermarest has punctured a hole and leaked all the air out. So I was sleeping on hard ground, and I will have to remedy that situation before the backpacking trip next week in the Sierras. I'll need a good pad. So I have a rather ambitious route this morning. I won't be doing very much filming or taking pictures of cacti, as I want to get the route completed. It's relatively flat, but it's a little longer, and I'll see how long it takes me to do, and I'll check in with you at the end. So have a great day wherever you are, and we'll talk to you later. Well, as you can see, I made it. I made my goal, but I'm a tired puppy dog. I'm a happy camper because I made the goal I set out for, but it was very hard. My voice, you can hear it in my voice. 7 miles, a little over 7 miles in about 5 hours. Continuous with some breaks in there. Got very hot. It was 101 when I finished. I had enough water. I was tired. Pretty flat course, just little rolling hills, smooth trails, nice, smooth, no big rocky outcrops or anything. Long hike, full pack, 38 pounds, and feel pretty good. Ankle feels good, and I feel good. Feel very happy that I got it done. So I'm inside in air conditioning in Fountain Hills, and I have my Starbucks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.